And I am live. Good morning everyone. Maambon na Lunes sa lahat ng nandito sa Alberta, even Saskatchewan, dito sa Canada. Yeah, so it's still smoky. Tapos, yeah, it's raining. Maambon lang naman, di naman todo. It's raining. Yeah. Not raining anymore? Okay, just gloomy. Ito, kasama ko. Stricto. Yeah, good morning sa lahat ng manonood at ng replay na to. Yeah. So it's Monday. Nandito tayo sa bahay. Kasi walang pasok. It's a long weekend. Next week. Next week. Yeah. So, family day ba? Nakalimutan ko na all Labor Day. Nakalimutan ko na anong klaseng holiday kami. Basta long weekend kami. Yeah, hop in lang dito on my personal Facebook profile. Just wanna congratulate yung mga business partners ko. Mga action takers nila. We have... Yeah, ito naman kung kailan lang. Doon ang daming ano. Okay, just look for your hitch, okay? Yeah, again, sorry.
No, it's for here with my birthday.
Okay. Congratulations kay Elena and Edralyn. So, we have 4 action takers over the weekend. So, from Friday to Sunday, late last night. Yung pang 4th namin kay Elena. So, grabe, ganun kaganda yung automation sa business. Kahit na natutulog kami, kahit na we are working full-time, meron yan yung business nagra-run on the side for you kasi may system nga. And then, the good thing about this is hindi mo kailangan ng as in experience or kaalaman kasi lahat matututunan dito sa business na may training kami and may mentorship. So, if you guys are interested to learn, mag-run din kayo ng online business. I can tell you, maganda. Kasi sa tax pa lang, ang dami mong pwedeng i-claim once you start the business. Yeah, and then registered to dito sa Canada, North America, even other parts of the world. So, nagbabayad po tayo ng tax dito, legal to. And yeah, manood lang kayo ng webinar talaga. Yun lang ang lagi namin sinasabi sa mga nag-i-inquire. You have to watch that one first. And then, pag nagustuhan nyo, you can proceed. You can check it out. You have 30 days to check out the business. So yun naman is, also is refundable. So, you can, let's say, after mong manood ng webinar, gusto mong malaman lahat. And then, just pay the registration, the $149. Yun is 100% money back guaranteed within 30 days. So you have 30 days to research, 30 days to look around the community, 30 days na makita mo lahat ng nasa business namin. Yeah. And then you will get to invite sa community. Yeah. Ganon. So, nothing to lose on your part. So, more to gain. So, natuto ka na. Let's say, hindi mo nagustuhan, may natutunan ka, di ba? Pwede mong i-apply kung gusto mong mag-put up ng sarili mong online business. So, meron pa rin nagtatanong, ano ba yung ginagawa mo? Ano ba yung gagawin dyan? So, if you can see right now, ito yung ginagawa namin sa business. We're just promoting this type of business. Kasi para siyang, picture it like franchise business. So, meron na kaming company. So what we do is, we are the advertiser, but what we advertise is a lifestyle kind of business. So, just like any legitimate business, again and again, sa pag-start ng business, there's a startup capital. And this is designed for working people like us. Kahit na normal working people like us, hindi ito namimili ng experience. Kahit wala kang experience, pwede ka dito. Basta willing kang matuto. Right? So, yun, advice ko, watch yung webinar namin. And then, yeah, proceed. Pay the $149. Wala nang mawawala kasi refundable yun. 30 days money back guaranteed. Pag hindi nyo nagustuhan, just get your money back. Yes, like this, dito lang sa bahay, tapos yung online business. di ba? Oo, nag-run.
And he died.
So, ganun lang. Napakasimple. Complicated lang isipin. Mahirap lang isipin sa una kung ano talagang ginagawa. Unless you take action, di ba? Unless you watch. So, sa mga nagsasabi dyan na wala akong time manood ng webinar, it means hindi rin para sa itong business. Kasi if you don't have time to watch something, to learn something, wala ka rin time para sa business mo, di ba? So, this is not for you. Ito lang ay para sa mga serious people looking for a way to get extra resource for their family. Alright? Sa mga seryoso lang to, yung mga pero kung wala kang time, this is not for you. Yung karamihan ng mga nandito sa business is because they want change and they took action and they put that change into action. Kaya naman yun, successful sila sa business. So, yeah. Again, thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. And then tomorrow, papasok na ulit. Yeah, alright? Okay, again, take action now. And then, hindi mo malalaman. Baka a year from now, once you take action today, a year from now, your life will be different. Right? Okay, salamat and God bless.